Welcome back. So far, doctors say most COVID cases tied to the Omicron variant have not shown the same level of illness as previous strains. But health experts say that's no excuse for not getting vaccinated. Omicron, now detected in at least 38 states, does appear to spread more quickly, with cases doubling every 2 to 4 days. The Delta variant, though, is still the dominant strain, and it too continues to proliferate. CBS's Laura Podesta has the latest on the pandemic.
The Omicron variant of COVID-19 is quickly spreading across the U.S.
We're looking over our shoulder at Omicron, which will assume a dominant role, I would imagine, within a period of a few weeks to as we go into January.
Between Omicron and Delta, new COVID cases are up 36% in 2 weeks. What's normally a 15-minute wait at this Miami testing site was over an hour yesterday. At the White House, President Biden urged Americans to get vaccinated and boosted.
For unvaccinated, we are looking at a winter of severe illness and death.
Many hospitals across the country are already overwhelmed with the unvaccinated, including at Monroe in Wisconsin.
These patients do not improve overnight. They do not improve over days. It's weeks and weeks and weeks at a time.
ICU nurse Janelia Gee says patients tell her they wish they'd gotten vaccinated.
They're getting fed through a tube in their stomach. They're breathing through a hole in their throat.
New York City Mayor Bill de Blasio says if cases continue to skyrocket, the city may scale back its big New Year's Eve party.
We're going to watch very carefully. It's still, more than 2 weeks away. And if at any point we need to alter the plan, we will.
Yesterday, the CDC voted to recommend the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines over the Johnson & Johnson shot, citing rare blood clots linked to at least 9 deaths. That's out of the more than 17 million J&J shots that have been administered. Laura Podesta, CBS News, New York.
The J&J jab will still be available to those who want it. Health experts say one-dose vaccine is a good tool for vaccinating hard-to-reach groups like the homeless. Did you know today is National Maple Syrup Day? Howard and the Mr. Food Test Kitchen is serving something up today that you can celebrate.